So, ayan, question number 1 agad tayo para makadami. Ayan, number 1. So, when an emergency vehicle is approaching from behind at an intersection, vehicles must immediately stop where they are. Kapag meron daw emergency vehicle na paparating sa likuran at nasa intersection, kailangan mo raw huminto agad kung nasaan ka nararoon. Is this true or false?
False.
False?
Bakit?
Bakit?
Kailangan mag-right or mag-left. Tapos dun ka dun sa gilid mag-stop.
So, parang
Pero
tatabi mo muna.
Oo. Tapos direct. Pero yung nakalagpas na ng intersection, ituloy-tuloy niya lang. Pero gigilid na rin siya. Kasi meron na sa likod eh.
See if the answer here is, false?
False.
Sige, try natin kung false. 3, 2, 1. Ba, tama. False. False ang sagot dito. Dahil a vehicle must leave the intersection and stop on the left side of the road, except on a one-way. Very good. Okay, question number 2. On a road with heavy traffic, it is advisable for a driver to get into or out of a vehicle from the left door as much as possible. Is this true or false? On a road na meron daw heavy traffic, it is advisable for a driver to get into or out of a vehicle from the left door. Left door, ibig sabihin
Passenger seat.
sa passenger seat, hindi dito. Sa kabilang side, no? Is this true or false?
True.
Left door. Di ba parang hirap namang dumaan doon, Pero with heavy traffic, it is advisable for a driver to get into or out of a vehicle from the left door. True?
Alam ko left door.
Tingin mo.
Alam ko left door, true.
Okay. Let's see if the answer here is true in 3, 2, 1. True. Galing ah. It is advisable to use the left door so as not to inconvenience other traffic and ensure safety. Okay, number 3. Meron tayong image dito. Ayan, sabi niya, the hand signals of a police officer as shown in the figures have the same meaning for traffic traveling towards the front and back of the officer. So, ito yung image. So, ito daw kamay nung officer, naka-sideways. Tapos dito sa right side naman, nakataas yung kanyang right hand. Then ito namang sa baba ay naka-diagonal, kumbaga naka-slant yung kanyang both hands. Para daw itong signal na to doon sa mga bumabiyahe towards him. Is this true or false?
False.
Bakit false? Tingnan mo yung image.
Front of the officer. Pag nakaganyan, ibig sabihin, stop.
So, stop. So, sino yung binibigyan niya ng signal dito?
Nasa harapan niya, tsaka nasa likod.
So, kung babasahin mo to, towards front and back.
Nakababa yung kamay ng isa eh. Yung isa naman, wala ka namang ganun na parang naggagalaw siya.
So, para kanino nga tong signal niya?
Yung dun sa upper left.
Same all, lahat daw yan, pare-parehas eh.
Hindi.
Yung ganyan, ito, tapos yung pababa, pare-parehas daw yan, para yan dun sa mga kuruma or cars na nasa harapan nitong officer. Papunta sa kanya, towards front and back eh. Front and back of the officer. True or false? False?
False.
Well, let's see if the answer is false in 3, 2, 1. True. True siya.
Bakit?
Diba nga? Tingnan mo, imaginein mo. Oh, tayo yung nasa harapan niya. Tayo yung may hawak ng manobela. Sino yung binibigyan ng signal? Di ba tayo? Tayo yung nasa front niya.
Oo nga, pero yung kamay niya
ang ibig sabihin yan, huwag kang dumaan. Nakaganon, di ba?
bakit nakababa yung kamay? Wala namang ganyan doon sa libro. Kailangan nakaganyan yung kamay ng officer.
Pero nasa harapan kasi nga natin siya.
Kaya
So,
nga.
ang kinakausap niya dito, ang binibigyan niya ng signal, tayo. Hindi, regardless kasi kung ano yung pinapadaan niya dyan. So, ibig sabihin, for traffic proceeding parallel to the stance of the police officer. O, ibig sabihin, kung parallel siya, para to doon sa parallel, para to doon sa A, di ba? Para doon sa A. Yung B ang magi-stop.
Kaya nga.
Okay. Arms held straight up, lowered. Ito naman, from the vertical to the horizontal position, is front and back nung nasa officer. Di ba doon sa picture kanina, A and B. Okay. Hindi naman niya tinanong, ito ba, parehas dun sa,
Parehas ng meaning.
Ang sinasabi lang niya, have the same meaning. O yun ang explanation. Lahat daw ng signal na binibigay ng officer, ibig sabihin yan, red light. Traffic signal for traffic traveling towards the front and back. Parehas lang lahat yan na stop. Red light, stop. Diba? Red light. Move on na tayo. Okay, next question tayo. A vehicle must not enter a safety zone only when there are pedestrians in the area. O, a vehicle must not enter a safety zone only when there are pedestrians in the area. So, ano yung tsura ng safety zone? Hanapin mo sa book.
Alam ko na.
Naalala mo na. Yun yung merong parang
Yellow. Tapos may dash.
line na mga dashes.
False.
So, anong sagot mo dito?
False.
Bakit false?
Kasi hindi ka naman talaga pwedeng umenter doon sa safety zone. Kahit may pedestrian o wala. Bawal magpunta doon sa safety zone.
Okay, sige. So, false to? Okay, let's see if the answer is false in 3, 2, 1. Okay, false. So, whether may tao o wala, hindi ka pwedeng mag-enter doon. A vehicle must not enter the zone even when there are no pedestrians. Next question. Yan. Question number 5. When approaching a pedestrian crossing, a vehicle must sufficiently reduce speed to be able to stop immediately before the pedestrian crossing, even when it is clear that there are no people crossing the road. O ano ibig sabihin yan? Ikaw mag-explain.
False ang sagot. Kasi kung wala namang pedestrian, slow down ka ba?
Sabi niya dyan, pag ikaw ay palapit na sa isang pedestrian crossing, a vehicle must sufficiently reduce speed to be able to stop immediately before the pedestrian crossing, even when it is clear that there are no people crossing the road. Is that true or false? So, kailangan mo daw mag-reduce ng speed.
Hindi naman. Wala naman tao.
Before the pedestrian crossing, even when it is clear that there are no people crossing the road.
Hindi naman. False.
So, false to. Tingin ko din false to. So, let's see if the answer here is false. In 3, 2, 1, false nga siya. Kasi, sabi dyan, when there are apparently no pedestrians, a vehicle does not have to reduce speed so as to be able to stop. Okay, next question. Question number 6. A vehicle may overtake at a corner when visibility is good.
False.
Dahil?
Hindi ko pwedeng mag-overtake sa corner kahit visibility mo ay good.
So, ang answer dito ay false. In 3, 2, 1, false. Dahil as a corner is a dangerous location, a vehicle must not overtake even if visibility is good. Hindi naman talaga dapat mag-overtake sa corner road. Okay, next question. Number 7. On a general road, the designated maximum speed limit for 3-wheeled regular trucks or regular trucks with a displacement of 660cc or less is 50 kilometers per hour. Sa normal road daw, yung maximum speed ng 3-wheeled regular trucks or regular trucks with displacement of 660cc or less is 50 kilometers per hour. Talaga, 3-wheeled regular trucks. Ano ba 3-wheeled regular truck? Anong sagot mo rito? True or false?
False? Mat yan eh.
Displacement of 660 or less is 50. So, tingin ko malito. Bakit? Kasi, ang naaalala ko kapag ang gulo lang dito yung regular trucks eh. Pero 3-wheeled, parang mali yun eh. So, tapos ito pa, 660 or less, 50. Kung 660 or less, siguro ano yan, 30 kilometers per hour. Ewan ko. Pero tingin ko rin this is false. So, let's see if the answer here is false. In 3, 2, 1, false. False nga siya. Kasi, on a general road, a designated maximum speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour sa mga regular motor vehicles. Okay, meron na naman tayong picture dito. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Merong blue arrow, which is, ang tawag dyan ay, anong tawag dyan?
Designation.
Designation arrow. Tapos, merong truck dito na ibig sabihin, ano to siya? Priority ba siya? Sabi dito, number 8. At an intersection where there is a traffic sign as shown in the figure, vehicles other than large-size trucks, specified medium trucks, and special heavy equipment must not proceed straight to the intersection. So, at an intersection, at an intersection where there is a traffic sign as shown in the figure, ito yung figure, vehicles other than large size trucks, specified medium trucks, other than vehicles other than large size, medium trucks, special heavy equipment must not proceed straight through the intersection.
False.
Is this true or false?
False.
Bakit siya false?
Kasi pinapayagan niya. Wala naman slash.
Okay, so let's see if this is false. In 3, 2, 1. False. False yan. Vehicles other than large size trucks, specified medium trucks, and special heavy equipment may proceed in any direction. Yan.
Pinapayagan siya.
Pinapayagan naman lahat. Okay? Kasi sinasabi lang dito na allowed din na dumaan dyan itong mga trucks. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na bawal kang dumaan kung isang dinadrive mo is normal vehicle. Yung normal motor vehicle. Okay, next question. Question number 9. If a driver senses even a small amount of danger in the traffic condition during driving, the first thing for him or her to do is to reduce the vehicle's speed.
True.
Tingin ko din dito ay true. So, let's see. In 3, 2, 1. Yan. True kasi danger na yung pinag-uusapan dyan. Kapag danger, reducing the vehicle speed allows a driver to have extra time for reacting safely in a dangerous situation. Next question. Ayan, number 10. When overtaking, it is advisable for a driver to check the safety to the right and behind to the right using a rear view mirror as well as to check the situation in front. Kapag mag-overtake ka daw, it is advisable for a driver to check the safety to the right and behind to the right using a rear view mirror as well as to check the situation in front. Gamit daw ang rear view ay i-check bago mag-overtake kung advisable daw na is safe na mag-overtake.
True.
Are you sure? Is this true? Okay, let's see if the answer here is true. In 3, 2, 1. True. Kasi overtaking is dangerous. Driving operation. It is necessary to thoroughly check safety. So, check mo mabuti gamit yung rear mirror kung safe bang dumaan. Okay, next question. Number 11, using side mirrors allow a driver to visually gauge the distance between his or her vehicle and the vehicle behind better than using a rear view mirror. Ano sa tingin mo?
False.
Bakit siya false? Using side mirrors allow a driver to visually gauge the distance between his or her vehicle and the vehicle behind better than using a rear view mirror.
Kasi may
Mas mabuti daw gamitin yung side mirror kaysa sa rear view mirror to gauge yung kanyang distance between the vehicle and the vehicle behind.
Behind. Ito dapat rear view mirror ang gagamitin mo.
So, anong sagot dito? What do you think?
False. Using the side mirror.
Ano yung answer mo?
False.
So, let's see if the answer here is false. In 3, 2, 1. False. Kasi things look smaller on side mirrors than their actual size. So, it is difficult to accurately gauge the... Okay, next question. Ayan, meron naman tayong ano dito, signal or stop sign. Anong ibig sabihin nito?
No overtaking.
Bawal mag-overtake. Sabi dito, number 12. Even where there is a traffic sign as shown in the figure, a vehicle may overtake unless it crosses the center line. Even where there is a traffic sign as shown in the figure, a vehicle may overtake unless it crosses the center line. Is this true or false?
False.
False yan,
overtake
diba? So, false to. In 3, 2, 1. Yan. False yan. False. Kasi overtaking is prohibited whether or not a vehicle crosses the center. Okay. Next question. Number 13. A vehicle must slow down when passing a pedestrian that is in a safety zone. A vehicle must slow down when passing a pedestrian that is in a safety zone. True or false? Mas tingin mo, mag-slow down ka daw kapag ka dumadaan ka sa pedestrian na safety zone. What do you think?
False.
Kasi,
wala namang tumatawid eh.
When passing a pedestrian that is in a safety zone. False to? Okay, let's see if the answer here is false. In 3, 2, 1. True. True siya. A vehicle is obliged to slow down for pedestrians' safety. Nakakalito, no? Kasi, hindi naman niya sinabi kung may dumadaan eh. Basta sinabi niya lang na, pag sinabi niya kasing pedestrian, ang ibig niyan sabihin dyan, yung tao na mismo. Passing a pedestrian that is in a safety zone. So, a vehicle must slow down when passing a pedestrian. Kung may madadaanan ka daw isang pedestrian, tinutukoy niya na dito yung tao. Pedestrian. Pag sinabi niyang pedestrian crossing, yung daanan mismo. Di ba? Okay? Okay, question number 14. Ayan, merong picture dito na merong nakalabas na kamay, tapos nakataas. Anong ibig sabihin daw niyan?
Yes.
Number 14. A signal as shown in the figure viewed from behind indicates that the vehicle is attempting to execute a right turn or U-turn or move into the right lane while traveling in the same direction. Tasyang ganyan.
Left.
So, ano yung ibig sabihin niya?
Left nga.
So, siya? Magle-left turn siya, hindi siya magra-right turn. Okay. So, ang sagot daw dito sa picture na to ay magle-left turn daw siya, hindi siya magra-right turn. Okay, let's see if the answer here is anong sagot mo? True or false?
False.
Okay, let's see if the answer here is false. In 3, 2, 1, false. Kasi, this is a signal when making a left turn or changing lanes to the left. Konti pa lang yung parang isa pa lang ata mali mo. Okay, number 15. If the traffic signal ahead is a yellow light, a vehicle must not proceed beyond the stop line. However, if the signal changes to yellow when the vehicle has nearly reached the stop line and the vehicle is not able to stop safely, it may proceed without stopping.
True.
Ano tingin mo?
True.
True ba yan? Again, if the traffic signal ahead is a yellow light daw, yung nakikita mo, a vehicle must not proceed beyond the stop light. However, if the signal changes to yellow when the vehicle has nearly reached the stop line and the vehicle is not able to stop safely, it may proceed without stopping. Is this true or false?
Yung sagot ko?
Nakikita mo na yellow.
True.
True to?
Pag hindi na kaya talaga, hindi huwag ka na tuloy mo na.
Okay. So, let's see if the answer here is true. In 3, 2, 1, true. Tama yan, tama. Magagawa mo lang mag-proceed kahit yellow yan kapag hindi mo na talaga kayang stop yung car. Kasi mas delikado yun. A vehicle may proceed without stopping when it is not able to safely stop at the stop line as an exception. Ano, kaya mo pa?
Go.
Okay, next question. Yan, question number 16. It is important for a driver to understand the features of his or her own vehicle, such as the blind spot, the wheelbase differential, and other similar features.
True.
True ba to? Are you sure?
Oo.
Bakit true?
Siyempre, dapat kilala mo yung sinasakyan mo.
Okay.
Para alam mo gamitin. Kahit ano namang gamit, dapat alam mo gamitin yung gamit mo eh. Kung hindi mo magagamit ng maayos.
Let's see if the answer here is true in 3, 2, 1. Yan, tama. True yan. Kasi, this is important for a driver so as to ensure safety and drive the vehicle at an appropriate position in the... Okay, next question tayo. Ito, meron tayong sign dito. A warning sign kasi red tuloy. A warning sign kasi yellow siya. Yellow yung kanyang background. Diagonal figure. Number 17. A driver must proceed with attention on a road where there is a traffic sign as shown in the figure because there are maybe oncoming traffic. A driver must proceed with attention on a road where there is a traffic sign as shown in the figure because there may be oncoming traffic. Is this true or false? O, ito yung figure ulit.
Paano oncoming traffic? Di ba two-way yan?
Oncoming traffic. A driver must proceed with attention on a road where there is a traffic sign as shown. Ibig sabihin, galing ka siguro sa isang road na ano ba? Ano bang pwede mong panggalingan bago to?
One way.
One way? Isang ano lang siya. Isang papunta lang siya, puro pa ganun, no? Puro pa diretso lang. Tapos biglang may warning sign na may oncoming traffic. Ano sa tingin mo? Is this true or false?
Attention naman, di true.
Okay, let's see if the answer here is true in 3, 2, 1. True. Because this sign warns that there is a two-way traffic ahead. A driver must proceed with attention because there is no traffic strip. No traffic strip. Next question. Okay, question number 18. It is dangerous if a driver cannot pay enough attention to the traffic conditions. Therefore, a driver must not in principle use a mobile phone while driving.
True.
Diba? True na to.
Malamang.
Wala nang ano to. Ayan, true na yan. Siyempre, bawal talagang gumamit ng phone. Using a mobile phone is prohibited except when being used with a so-called hands-free system or in an emergency situation. Next question. Question number 19. When a person with a learner's permit drives a vehicle for the purpose of practice, he or she must have a person in the front passenger seat as an instructor. That person must have a held first-class license for that type of vehicle for 3 years or more, or a second-class license for that type of vehicle and be at least 21 years of age or older. Meron ka ng learner's permit. Pwede ka na mag-drive. Pero dapat, meron ka raw kasamang instructor na nakaupo sa front seat. At yung instructor daw na yun, kailangan meron siyang first-class license at nakapag-drive na siya for 3 years or more. Or a second-class license na at least 21 years old, yung may hawak nun. Is this true or false?
True, kasi pag regular na vehicle, dapat 3 years na siya nagdadrive. Pag dapat at least 2 years. Yung medium type na vehicle, dapat 2 years na siya nagdadrive nun.
Sige. So, true to, no? Let's see if the answer here is true. In 3, 2, 1. Yan, true. A person with a learner's permit must be instructed by a person who meets the necessary conditions, including years of driving experience. Next question tayo.
Kaya kailangan meron nakalagay doon na learner's permit sa front and back ng sasakyan.
Okay, so meron tayo ditong figure uli. Meron letter A, Y, and X. So, mukhang parking to. Ano sa tingin mo?
Hindi yan parking, may pedestrian eh.
Parking ba yan? Hindi siya parking, no? Number 20. In the situation shown in the figure, when the vehicle X passes on the side of stop vehicle Y, vehicle number 1 must stop at a position A even when there are no pedestrians. Ito daw, kailangan niya mag-stop kahit wala doon pedestrian na dumadaan dito. Which is dun siya sa kabilang lane. Nasa kabilang lane siya. In the situation, when vehicle X passes on the side of stop vehicle Y, the vehicle must stop at a position A even when there are no pedestrians. Is this true or false?
Walang sign, walang ano?
Kailangan din yung huminto dito.
Hindi, diretso lang siya. Walang pedestrian.
Gusto tingin mo?
False.
Imaginein mo, dalawang lane nga ito, tapos itong nasa nasa right lane ay possibly na pwede siyang lumiko or dumiretso. Gusto tingin mo? True or false?
Akin false.
Okay, let's see if the answer here is false. In 3, 2, 1. True. True ang sagot dito. Kailangan din daw niya mag-stop sa position A even when there are no pedestrians. Kasi, as there may be pedestrians walking in front of vehicle Y, vehicle X must stop at position A. Kasi, parang naka-block daw ito. Pero it's possible na pag dumire-diretso ka, hindi mo napansin na sa harap ng Y na car, may dumadaan na.
Kaya siya huminto.
Kaya kailangan mo ring huminto. Kailangan mo huminto sa A na position. Okay, question number 21. A vehicle must slow down at a corner if visibility is poor but does not need to slow down even visibility is good. A vehicle must slow down at a corner if visibility is poor but does not need to slow down even visibility is good. Hindi mo daw kailangan mag-slow down kung maganda naman daw yung visibility.
False.
So, is this false?
Corner
Let's
pa rin
see
yan.
if the answer here is false in 3, 2, 1. Yes, false yan. Kasi, a vehicle must slow down whether visibility is good or poor. Okay. Question number 22. Question number 22. When executing a left or right turn or a U-turn, a driver must give a signal approximately 30 meters before the point where he or she takes the action. When executing a left or right turn or a U-turn, a driver must give signal 30 meters before the point where he or she takes the action. Parang layo naman, no? 30 meters. True or false? Bago daw siya mag-U-turn, kailangan daw mag-signal siya 30 meters before the point where he or she takes the action.
Alam ko 30. True.
True ba to?
Hmm.
When executing left or right turn, ha? 30 meters. Okay? True? So,
Alam
let's
ko
see if
30.
the answer is true in 3, 2, 1. Aba, tama nga. True. A position can be specified for executing a left or right turn or U-turn. A driver must give a signal 30 meters before that position. Nga. Okay, meron naman tayong next image dito. Anong ibig sabihin yan? So, directional sign ito.
For trucks.
For trucks. Number 23. On a road where there is a traffic sign as shown in the figure, regular passenger vehicles must proceed in lanes other than the leftmost lane. On a road where there is a traffic sign as shown in the figure, regular passenger vehicles must proceed in lanes other than the leftmost lane. Is this true or false?
False.
Bakit?
Wala siyang for trucks use only. Ibig sabihin lang dyan, pwedeng dumaan dyan yung truck.
Kung baga exclusive ba yan?
Mm-hmm.
So, false ito. Sabi dito, regular passengers vehicles must proceed in lanes other than the leftmost lane. So, false to.
Para sa akin, false.
Okay, let's see if the answer is false in 3, 2, 1. False. This traffic sign designates large-size trucks, specified medium trucks, and special heavy equipment must use the designated lane. Other types of vehicle must proceed following the general rules. False siya. Okay. Okay, question number 24. It is advisable for a driver to sound the horn as much as possible at an intersection where visibility is. So, gagamit ka ng horn kapag yung intersection ay visibility. Is this true or false?
False. Slow down kapag for visibility.
Pero di ka gagamit ng horn.
Oh, baka mamaya, no honing zone dun.
Okay, let's see if the answer here is false in 3, 2, 1. False. False yan. A driver must slow down and must not sound the horn unnecessarily. Okay? So, gagamit ka lang ng horn. Ang pagkakaalala ko, gagamit ka lang ng horn kapag
sa
yung horning zone or yung hindi mo makita yung parang corner siya. Parang dadaan ka sa, let's say, mountain tapos pa-curve yung daan tapos hindi mo alam kung may kasalubong ka, dun ka mag-horn. Okay, next question. Nako, ito palagi natin nakikita yan. Tomare. So, anong ibig daw sabihin siguro niyan? Number 25. When entering an intersection where there is a traffic sign as shown in the figure, a vehicle does not need to stop if it is clearly safe.
Hindi.
So, ang sagot dito ay false.
Sa slow down, pwede ka pa. Pero pag, tumari.
So, this is false in 3, 2, 1. False. False yan. This sign is displayed at a dangerous locations. So, a vehicle must stop and ensure safety. Ayan, sana may natutunan kayo sa aming video for today. Thank you so much for watching. And kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na at hit mo yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aming mga susunod pang i-upload ng mga videos at sa iba pa mga topics namin related sa pamumuhay dito sa Japan. Puntahan nyo ang aming YouTube homepage. I-click nyo yung playlist dahil marami kaming playlist dito na makakatulong sa inyong pamumuhay dito sa Japan. Thank you so much. This is Alan and Mao. We will see you on our next exam. This is Gaijin World and thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Check nyo pala itong mga videos dito. Yan. Bye! Okay, next question.